we have to show that n permutation n is equal to n factorial. N permutation r is simply equal to n factorial all over n minus r factorial. N permutation n will simply be equal to, comparing this with n permutation r, n remains n, r is equal to n. This will be equal to n factorial all over n minus n factorial. This will be equal to n factorial all over n minus n gives us 0 factorial. By definition, 0 factorial is equal to 1. This will be equal to n factorial divided by 1, which is simply equal to n factorial, which is what we have to show. We go now to 2. We have to show that n permutation n minus 1 is equal to n factorial. By definition, n permutation n minus 1 factorial is simply equal to n factorial divided by n minus n minus 1, because we are subtracting n minus 1. That's the reason why it is in bracket, factorial. This will simply be equal to n factorial all over n. We are going to expand this bracket, minus n. Negative 1 times negative 1 gives us positive 1. All this factorial. And this will simply be equal to n factorial all over n minus n gives us 0 plus 1, 1 factorial, which is simply equal to n factorial all over 1 factorial is 1. And this will simply be equal to n factorial, which is what we have to show. We go to 3. N permutation 0 is simply equal to n factorial all over n minus 0 factorial. This will be equal to n factorial divided by n minus 0 remains n factorial. N factorial divided by n factorial gives us 1. We go to IV. N permutation 1 is simply equal to n factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial. And this will be equal to n factorial is simply the multiplication of all the integers from n right down to 1, which is the same as n times n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial. N minus 1 factorial in the numerator will strike off n minus 1 factorial at the denominator. And this will simply be equal to n all over 1, which is n, which is what we are to show. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.